It has been a really long time since y'all have heard from us or seen an update, but we're gonna get into it. Look right there. We got a 1-year-old tomorrow.
Your face.
Hey, Bri. Hey, say bye-bye. Say it, say bye-bye. Alright, so for a couple weeks we got rained out there. Seemed like every time we was going to the track we was getting rained out. I believe the last update you guys got, we was supposed to be at Talladega and ended up getting rained out that night as well. The following week, which would have been the week of the 28th, I believe. Maggie had been fine. She hadn't been acting weird or nothing. She woke us up about midnight, gasping for air. So we throwed her in the car and took off to Children's at about midnight, and ended up she had the croup. The doctors and the nurse down there, they told us that we would have it as well. Just be prepared. And so that was on a Thursday morning. Maggie, she felt bad for about a week, coughing and just didn't feel good, fever and everything. And then I guess probably that Sunday I started feeling bad. Dallas and Briar started feeling bad. And we've just been fighting that sickness ever since. I told Dallas the other day I really felt like I had COVID versus anything. I've had a cough for 3 solid weeks that just will not go away. And it's way worse at nighttime, like trying to lay down and go to sleep. So it's been really hard to get some rest and get some sleep, but feel much better now. Just got to get over this lingering cough. But we're going to get in here. And the car was sitting here ready to go. Those couple of nights we got rained out, so we're gonna get in here. I haven't been down here to crank the car to make sure everything stays lubed up. The fuel system keeps putting fresh fuel in it. So I'm gonna get in here. I'm gonna take the hood off. I'm gonna go through the carburetor, make sure nothing's gummed up. Make sure E85, you're supposed to crank it, at least once or twice a week. At least that's what I like to do. And I just haven't been able to get down here, haven't felt like it. So we're going to fire it up tonight, make sure everything runs, make sure it does what it's supposed to do. Originally was planning on possibly going to North Georgia Thursday night. The Schaefer's Oil race is there, but they are running crate as well. But the last I looked, it's a 95% chance of rain Thursday and Friday. Then our next plans were to be at Wynot Saturday night, but I looked earlier and the rain chance for Wynot is much greater than it is at Talladega. So unless something drastic changes, we'll be at Talladega this weekend, Saturday night. Just a normal standard. I believe it's actually a points night. However, we took a big drop in points because Talladega raced a couple weeks ago and that was a points race, and I couldn't go. So anyways, that's our plan for this weekend. I'm gonna get in here, I'm gonna get everything touched up, just double check everything, make sure everything's still ready to go, and that's where we should be this weekend, hopefully, good Lord willing, and nothing changes or nothing happens. We'll be at a racetrack somewhere this weekend, at least once, but possibly twice.
No. gonna call it a night. We're gonna call it quits for now. We did get the car cranked. We showed you guys a video of that.
Everything flowed right. Everything's good to go. So just blowed the carburetor out just a little bit and it was ready to go.
All right, Brad has not gained weight. He has something holstered on his side. He went to the pond earlier where you have to worry about snakes. But anyway, so we appreciate all of you guys. We should be at Talladega on Saturday, maybe North Georgia Thursday. Who knows? It's up in the air with the weather. But we appreciate you guys. Thanks to all of our partners, Sports Performance Parts, Barry Apparel Co., WJI Enterprises, GetMyInternet.com, Gorsuch Performance, Penske Racing Shocks, Brand Transmission, PPM Racing Products. Thanks to all of those guys that make every bit of this possible. BB Designs, couldn't do it without him. He's our backbone. But we'll catch you guys maybe sometime this week. I don't know if we've got to do anything else out here, but if not, at least you've seen a video and you know what's going on. We've been sick and it's been raining, so we're still at it. Still gonna be racing this weekend. All right, guys. So like, comment, subscribe, and ring that bell. See you soon.
All right, guys. So if you follow along with our other social media pages, as well as I believe we announced it on here back around January, Dow?
Yeah, I think so.
Back at the beginning of the year, around January, we were selected by Accelo Racewear to be one of their factory pilot drivers, which included a custom fire suit, a banner, some gloves, shoes, all that, in exchange for being one of their factory pilot drivers to represent Accelo Racewears. Our suit came in today that we've had ordered, so I'm gonna get in here and get it put on and let you guys check it out real quick. Sent us some Accelo Racewear t-shirts. Sent me and Dallas both one. Here, Dallas, show the back of it.
Yep.
Got the Accelo t-shirt, the Accelo banner. Got us some vinyl decals, stickers. Got the gloves to go with the suit. Did get an email that said my shoes were coming separate. I believe it said that they should be later on, either this week or next week. I can't remember what the email said. But there's the fire suit. It's in a little handy carrying bag. I'm gonna get it out and I'll show it to you guys in just a second.
All right. So this is what we're looking like, head to toe.
Got our Conquerors.
Let's see. There's the arm. It's got the Accelo Factory Pilot, Victory in Jesus. It's got the back gussets.
Arm gussets.
Arm gussets.
The stirrup.
Yeah. It's probably one of the best fitting suits you've had in a long time, honestly.
It fits really good.
Yeah, I like it.
I like the way it fits.
Yeah.
It's really hot in here.
Okay.
It'd look really good holding a checkered flag there Saturday night.
Ooh, yeah. Yeah, it will.
I was not sure about the shiny black, but I think I like the shiny black.
Yeah, I like the shiny black.
I kind of like it.
I hope it still looks good after some races, which I don't see why it wouldn't, but it's really good.
Accelo, brand, BB Designs, Warp Speed Performance, Conqueror race cars.
Conqueror. That's our constants for years and years, so we're going.
Speaking of Conqueror race cars, quick update. It is late in the week. I know when early in the video we said we wouldn't share our plans this week. I'm gonna go ahead and throw them out there real quick.
Hold on.
I'm gonna go ahead and throw out our plans real quick because it is Wednesday night. North Georgia canceled today, so North Georgia's out of the question. I looked at the rain chances and the storm chances for Mississippi Saturday is much higher than they are here, so I'm not gonna drive 3.5 hours to Wynot Saturday with the rain chances, what they are. They're 50% chance of strong storms is what my apps are showing. That may change between now and then. But Talladega right now is 20% chance of rain for Saturday. So as of right now, we're going to be at Talladega Saturday, dodging the rain. That way we're not driving 3.5 hours to get rained out. So Original plan was to go to North Georgia tomorrow night. They've already canceled, so now it's looking like Talladega Saturday. If anything changes, follow our other social media accounts or Patreon.